These shades right here are Demi. What they are is a concentrated color that you use to counterbalance discoloration or excess color that you have on your face. For me, it's primarily in my under eye area. I have a bunch of excess blue over here, and I'm going to show you how I cover it using the Blur brush and Demi 03 and 01. I'm going to find the area that has the darkest concentrate of color, and I'm going to use 03 to place some counter pigment on that. And this is a lot drier than your foundation, so a little goes a really, really long way. And I'm going to flip the brush over to the feathery side and just kind of buff that out a little bit. And you could see that's like a magic eraser. This stuff is incredible. I'm going to go in with 01 now, which is obviously lighter. It's just a different tone of the same color. And I'm going to go into the lighter blue areas now. And then again, using the other side of the brush, I'm going to blend that out. But do you see what that just did to the dark circles under my eye? So if I recommend any Demi products, this is exactly how you're going to use them. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Common questions that I get asked is, should I apply my Demi product before or after my makeup? And I'm going to say after, only because it's really easy to wipe this off when you're first getting used to blending out your 3D foundation. So that's probably going to be your best bet. But some people like to wear it on its own, and some people like to wear it underneath their makeup. I, for one, feel like I get better results when I wear it on top. But you have to still be careful not to apply too much light, bright shades on top of textured area, because we're going to be drawing attention with these light, bright shades. So even though I'm counterbalancing color, I could real easily get carried away with the light and brighteningness of the 01. I really love taking this shade and just using it as an extra highlight, just going up the center of my nose. Just like that. It's super pretty. Also looks really nice as an eyeshadow primer. And that was Demi 03 and 01 using the Blur brush.